old tank, dude. This is insane. So, whoa, there's the beautiful chandeliers. Look at that.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goon Squad garage, and as you guys seen in the previous video, we finally started changing the color of our Lamborghini Urus in this super sick Desert Storm sand color, and this thing looks absolutely amazing, dude.
This sucker is changing right before our very eyes, and I know there's a bunch of mixed emotions about this, but man, you got to see this in person.
Yeah, dude, give some time. Once we get it all wrapped up, throw the black accents and stuff like that, and with like all the fender flares, dude, this thing is gonna look absolutely amazing. Of course you can paint it, but we paint everything, and right now we are having a little issue with renting a paint booth for a certain time because this thing is gonna take a couple days to paint, and of course there's a 3-stage paint process with this color, so it takes super long. And you know what, we're gonna wrap this thing, and whenever we want to change the color, we'll throw it in the paint booth once we even get our own paint booth. You know what I mean?
Exactly. I think that's what we're gonna be working on for the next couple of weeks, is getting our own paint booth, and then we will spray some cars down with some fresh paint and get it slick.
Dude, you can change multiple colors with wrap, but for this, if you paint it, it's just white.
Because you can't, white.
Yeah, you can't really change the color because everything's already white. But you know what? This looks amazing. As for the red here, as you guys can tell, this was our practice run, so it wasn't too good, and this wrap was kind of super thick. This new stuff, it's stretchy, it's flexible, it's sticky, and look at that. Next morning, everything is exactly how we put it on there. The quarter panel looks amazing. Everything, all the edges, I mean, all the way around, man. This is done right,
dude,
right here, dude.
And actually, the professional that was giving us some tips said, "Hey, man, I probably shouldn't even come out there because you guys are doing an amazing job. Real
practice
for real,
makes
dude.
perfect."
But you know what? We actually got to set this sucker aside for now because we got to run up the mountain and try to finish that project up.
100%. So the main thing is to get that water system connected and get water to the house, and then there's a few workers up there and stuff like that. So what are we gonna do? Probably go to the Home Depot?
Home Depot, we got to grab some material and supplies for those guys and
head up the mountain and get some stuff done.
This is insane. So, whoa, dude, when you do that, a bunch of air comes out. Dude.
It's crazy here. It's almost like, it's like a prison, man.
Dude, what if we capped you off and just kept you in there?
Dude, that would suck.
Dude, we can turn this into a swimming pool as well.
Dude, I'm telling you, dude, this is perfect. We fill it up with water, you go scuba diving in here.
Wow, dude. But the reason why you had to go down in there, show them that pipe that you got right there, dude.
Yeah, so this is the pipe that we had to screw into the wall or the side right there. It's just gonna float however much water there is. It's gonna float on top of the water, and it's just gonna suck the clean water from the top. That way you always got water.
That's awesome. All right, so we're gonna pull you out. Hopefully you tie that knot nice and strong.
I hope so.
All right, Pops, go up. Are you ready? Yep, up.
Not ready.
Oh, not ready. Hold up. Wait. Some caveman stuff.
Hold that.
You got it? Come on out. Oh, no, don't grab your hat. Grab your hat's behind you. Oh, hold on.
You get my hat.
Let me pin this. All right, I got your hat. We don't want this getting stuck in the filtration. Up. Dang. So there's
All right, it's good.
This is the filter right here, and it's basically just gonna make sure no debris get down in there, but we're gonna keep on moving with this whole entire system. It should be really simple to set up. Next thing that we're gonna do is what? Equalize the tanks?
Yeah, equalize the tanks. There's already pre-drilled holes and like connections right there, top and bottom. So as soon as we do that, then we'll probably go ahead and maybe even bring the filters, or we can go ahead and bring water to the tanks itself.
Yep, exactly. The pipe that runs from there to here. So we got plenty to do, but it's actually pretty simple. And the guys are moving along over here. They're installing garage doors. It's looking epic, dude.
Super sick.
Let's keep moving.
Let's do it.
Alrighty guys, so we just pretty much finished up our water collection system over there. All we gotta really do is just connect the water after the rain fills up the tanks, is connect it to the pump, then through the filter, and then back to the house. Really simple. We also gotta run some power out there with the electricians. We'll actually finish that up, I think sometime next week, but they will be out tomorrow as well. So they got a couple more days, or maybe even a week out here to hang up all the light fixtures on the inside. But look at what they did today. Oh my goodness. They set up all the exterior lights, and that looks super, super sick right there. Remember I was telling you guys that this place was gonna look like a UFO or something in the middle of the night, or a UFO in the middle of the woods? Almost looks like it right there. I just gotta say, that looks super good. Lights up the whole entire exterior. It's almost like a whole different house just having those lights right there. And another thing that makes it feel a lot different is the glass garage doors, which we gotta go check this out. Elazar already took off because he had to take care. He actually ran out of water at his house. He couldn't even flush the toilet or like even take a shower. So he went to actually collect some water at the shop. Pops is still out here. We're just wrapping it up, and these guys are moving right along with the glass garage doors. Look at it from over here. This is massive one in the back right there, massive one on that side right here. This one is the smallest one, but I think it looks pretty good for the front end of this house. So just nice and cute, you know what I mean? They really got one more left right here, and they're actually installing the high tracks. That way it kind of gives us a lot more space on the inside over there. So I'm very happy we went with that route. That's kind of why it took so long to get these in. The other tracks would have been super low, and it would have looked a little bit funky in there, especially since we got 4 garage doors in this garage. This is one of a kind. I've honestly never seen anybody do 4 garage doors on the front and the back as well, so that's just pretty sweet. I think this house right here is the perfect house, perfect candidate for this type of job right here, and it just looks super cool being able to see the view from the front to the back. Just absolutely insane. We're super blessed to be able to build this right here, but I guess we're just gonna have to catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. it is actually the next day here, and the first thing that we started with was actually completing our water filtration system for our whole entire rain harvest system. And the last thing that we got to do is actually just run a PEX pipe from the filters all the way to the house, and that is it, which we're actually going to save that until the water actually fills up in those tanks, which it just started raining. Perfect timing. Can't wait to test out if we did everything right, which is actually a pretty simple system if you think about it, you know?
Yeah, super easy. I mean, we just equalized the tanks, ran one pipe from this filter to there, and then the actual like charcoal filters and the micro filters, whatever. That's all simple stuff, dude.
Very easy stuff, man. Can't wait. Oh, we also got to run some power there, which the electricians, they are moving right along on the inside of the house. On the outside, they're just trying to get everything knocked out. I think that actually they said one more day. So Monday is going to be their last actual day out here. They're going to have everything finished up, including the power to the pump over there. And I think I'm actually thinking about running some power in the driveway. I know I'm being a little bit of extra here, but you know what? When you build like your forever home, you want to do all this extra stuff because later it's going to be difficult. So I'm thinking maybe running some power by the driveway and maybe like throw some like little LEDs alongside the driveway, dude. What do you think about that?
You can do that, or you don't really have to run power. You can buy
Solar?
that one box, that I have, and you run a little power line under the dirt, and you connect lights to it. It's actually super simple setup if you really think about it.
That's pretty dang cool right there. But also, so that's on the low voltage side of things. But if you want some high voltage, which I think I want to do a gate on the end, would that be pretty cool?
Yeah, I don't know. I think you just need to run probably a 120 there, and you should be good for an opener closer gate.
That'd be really cool right there. But let's just hop inside right quick. And today's video is actually going to be pretty short. We're pretty much just going to wrap it up because it is actually Pop's birthday today. So we're just going to go celebrate a little bit. And he is 60 years old. I think I made a mistake in the previous video. I said he was 62, but he's actually 60. As we're walking, just take a notice at all those lights, dude. They added a couple more this morning, and oh my goodness, all those soffit lights are looking super sick right there.
Dude, for sure, dude.
Oh my goodness. I think they're gonna add some floodlights as well in a few corners. That way, if a fox or something is running around.
If there's a flood, you got floodlights for it,
If there's
dude.
a flood. Yeah, it's just nice to light up your house. I think it's just really cool. The garage doors, oh my goodness. We showed you guys a little bit at night, but in the daytime, they look super good right there as well. Let's quickly hop inside over here. Everybody already pretty much took off. There's the beautiful chandeliers. Look at that. They still have to troubleshoot that one a little bit, but that one turns on. But man, that is beautiful. But wait, hop over here into the master bedroom and check out this light right here. It's pretty dang cool.
Wow,
look at that
bedazzling, dude.
Bedazzled, man.
That's pretty cool right there, dude. What is that? All like little glass, like beads and stuff like that?
All crystals actually imported from Africa or something. No, I'm kidding. I really don't know. That's pretty much it. We already marked everywhere else where all the lighting fixtures are gonna go. We basically just got one more month on this project. Of course, we're gonna build like a little patio in the back. We got the fan up. We're gonna probably build a nice little patio, something just simple, nothing too big because I don't want to take up too much of the backyard here. But
yeah, 100%, just something that just goes out maybe even like 6 to like 10 feet, honestly.
Yeah,
you
exactly.
know what I mean?
Let's quickly walk through. I want to show you guys the inside of what it looks like from the inside of the garage to the outside. Look at these lights right here. I think that's super sweet right there. Those look beautiful. We got to install that sucker right there. Do we have lights in here? We do. Let me show you guys. Well, I guess I can share what we're going to put in here. So we actually marked this the other night. It's going to be a circle mirror with a backlit thing. You know what I mean?
Backlit mirror?
Backlit mirror and then 2 sconces. Check this out right here, dude. These suckers are going to look pretty insane. Look at that right there. Boom.
Oh yeah, looking sharp, man.
Dude, there's a lot of stuff that you got to do when you're building a new construction house. Like if you don't do it, man,
you ain't gonna do it later.
The electricians will just slap it on however, dude. If you want everything proportionate or just how you want it, you have to just be out there.
Take the time, mark it, put some measurements down and stuff like that. But let's look in here,
dude. Take a peek in here. Go ahead and walk completely in here, dude. It is beautiful. I love all 4 glass doors, man. And of course the motors are gonna be nice and sleek off to the side because we do got the high tracks. You see how high they go?
Yeah,
they
all the way to the
way
ceiling,
up
dude.
There. That is just beautiful right there, and I love how bright it is in here. You know what I mean?
Super nice.
I think I'm gonna set up like a nice little gym right there that nobody's ever gonna use. I'm just kidding. But anyways, guys, there's Pops right there, the birthday man. Happy birthday. Thank you. We're gonna go celebrate. We're gonna have some steak. We're gonna have some good stuff. And we'll just catch you guys in the next one. Peace.